Hello YouTube, how you doing? Uh, these videos that I made are late, about 2 weeks late. One I made is of a bad snowstorm we had. I want to say about 2 weeks ago. We had it, I don't know, Wednesday night. We had about a foot of snow, and I done a couple minutes of that, and it was a pretty significant snowstorm. Our kids was home for 4 days. And then the other one is of an unboxing I did of some comic books I ordered. Hope you all enjoy. And now I'm ready to brace myself for the next bad snowstorm we have coming. So here's the videos. Talk to you later. Bye. Alright everybody. Phil back again with another video. I had ordered some comic books from cards1.com, and the box just came today, and I guess this would be my first unboxing. Plus they sent some movie cards too. And these are it, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, the deluxe movie edition. And a couple packs. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. I think that's from the cartoon. And Supergirl. Okay, on to the comics. This is Hellstorm from Marvel. What's got here? What Works from Image. It's issue number 5. Supreme from Image, issue number 8. Captain Justice, issue number 1. The Photon Effect from Aced Comics, issue number 1. Excuse me, I think I'm coming down with a cold. The Comet Man, issue number 5. From Marvel Comics. The Punisher, 2099, issue number 4. Warriors of Plasm, I guess, issue number 1. Cage, issue number 5. The Punisher 2099, issue number 8. The Punisher War Journal, issue number 37. The New Warriors, issue number 31. Cage, issue number 6. I guess it's called Annex, issue number 1. The New Warriors, issue number 14. The New Warriors, issue number 30. The New Humans, issue number 1. Valiant Reader, volume 1. Excuse me. Let's try to speed this up again. Annex, issue number 2. And No More, the Submariner, issue number 15. Nick Fury, Agent of S.H.I.E.L.D., issue number 2. $20.99, issue number 1. The premiere of Hulk. Fantastic Four. Supreme, issue 13. And last but not least, Archer and Armstrong, whatever that is. Well, thanks again, everybody. Yeah, I ordered these from cardsone.com. Pretty cheap. I got them for 25 comics for $20. And got some backer boards and bags, which I don't know if I use because they're not acid free. And got some free movie cards, which was a pretty good deal. That's it for now. I'll talk to y'all later. I wanted to show you all the snow outside as the best I can. This is the biggest snowstorm we've had this year so far. Not too bad. I'm sure everybody's had worse, but this is the worst one we've had. Talk to you later. I also wanted to say at the end of this video that I wanted to thank all my new subscribers. I appreciate every one of you. I'm glad that y'all like my videos. And I appreciate all the nice comments that all my friends leave me. And that's all I wanted to say. Thank you all, and I hope you all enjoy my stuff. Thank you all. Take care.